Hello everyone and welcome to Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's McIntosh Memorial Primary from Manchester up against Greater Destiny Prep from St. James. I'm your host Javon Keys and the action begins right now. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and they'll have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Greater Destiny Prep won and decided to send McIntosh Memorial Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock we begin with McIntosh, Bible knowledge. Which of these books of the prophets appear first in the Bible? Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Micah.
Daniel.
Incorrect. Ezekiel. Bible knowledge. Greater Destiny. Which of these books of the prophets appear first in the Bible? Amos, Malachi, Joel, Hosea.
Joel.
Incorrect. Hosea. Local affairs. It's a visual question, McIntosh. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Your time has passed. Would you like to try Greater Destiny?
No, thank you.
Anthony Hilton, Member of Parliament. Local affairs, a visual question for you, Greater Destiny. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Marja Smith.
Incorrect. Angela Brown Burke, Member of Parliament. Science, McIntosh. Which vitamin helps to prevent the disease known as rickets?
Vitamin D.
Correct. Science, Greater Destiny. Which mineral helps to prevent osteoporosis, a disease of the bones?
Pause.
Would you like to try McIntosh?
Yes, please. Vitamin B3.
Incorrect. Calcium. Theater, a visual question, McIntosh. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Oliver Samuels.
That's right. Theater, a visual question, Greater Destiny. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Shermala.
Incorrect. Glenn Campbell. English language, McIntosh. What is the adjective in the following sentence? The expert pilot landed the plane on the runway.
Expert.
That's right. English language, Greater Destiny. What is the adjective in the following sentence? The substitute teacher arrived early for the class.
Early.
Incorrect. Substitute. Sports, a visual question, McIntosh. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
John Brown.
Incorrect. Kenneth Bednarek, U.S. sprinter. Sports, a visual question, Greater Destiny. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Terrence Howard.
Incorrect. Silly Tobago, Botswanan sprinter. General knowledge, McIntosh. Denver is the capital of which U.S. state?
Wisconsin.
Incorrect. Colorado. General knowledge, Greater Destiny. Phoenix is the capital of which U.S. state?
Arizona.
Correct. Social studies, McIntosh. Erskine Sandiford is a former Prime Minister of which Caribbean country?
Barbados.
Would you like to try Greater Destiny?
No, thank you.
Barbados would have been correct. It's your question, Greater Destiny. Social Studies. Lester Bird is a former Prime Minister of which Caribbean country?
Trinidad
And Tobago.
Incorrect. Antigua and Barbuda. And that's the end of Section 1. The scores are McIntosh Memorial Primary on 3 and Greater Destiny Prep on 1. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.